What's up, guys? Today I want to share why I decided to learn how to code, what pushed me, and how it's going, and why I think it was the best decision I made. Without further ado, let's get into the video. It started in 2023 around the summertime. I got grounded for doing something that was not what I was supposed to do, but that led me to wanting to learn something else. And from there, watching a lot of YouTube, I started seeing some ads pop out talking about learning how to code. I've seen it multiple times, but I usually just skip it all the time. But this time, when I saw it, I was like, what? I'll try to maybe learn a little bit more about it, but I didn't give too much attention at that time. But more ads kept popping out. It started getting annoying, but I took that as a sign to take this challenge to go on to learn a new skill. So I decided to start watching more video about coding and how it works and how do we use it in day-to-day life. So I decided to download some software that will allow me to start coding. From there, it just became something I started doing daily. The more time and more effort I decided to put on to learning HTML, it started to get easier for me to learn the basic of HTML. So I decided to move on from HTML to learn CSS, because this coding allows you to design and structure the coding from HTML and how you wanna really put on it's like a style like the one I have right now, like changing the color, the fonts, and those other things. And it was hard to learn, but as I said, the more time I put on, the more effort, the better I got. And coding both language, HTML and CSS. So that was pretty good. What made it even better was when we came back to school around September, I decided to take a coding class that will help me improve my coding skill using HTML and CSS. So those classes helped me to really improve my coding at using CSS and HTML. I learned how to code in the summer. That allowed me to really pass the class with ease, because most of the students did not know how to code in HTML and CSS. So me doing that made it very easy for me to get 100 on that class. So I was pretty happy that I learned how to code. Made that class fun was that it allowed us to go to University of Maine, to go see the large printing machine. And we also used the newest VAR. It was fun using it. It was definitely scary, using it. They made me climb those old ships from those pirates from the 90s and to get the flag. It was a very high, I would say probably like 60 feet high, and seeing the ocean and those other ships around it. It was a very cool experience. I decided to take a different coding class that also allowed us to go back in there and to go see the printing machine and also use the VAR as well. So it was fun to go back and see how they were doing and talk to some of those people I saw the previous year in 2023 and 2024 as well. So it was a really from all those experience and going to University of Maine and learning how to code, I'll say it's going pretty well because this year I'm taking the same class. This time also taking a challenge to build our own app from the main challenge. And, here's my app. I'll be showing right now. My app it's mostly focusing on the previous Ballon d'Or winners from 2014 to 2024 winners. It will be showing their names, the goals, and the clubs they play for, and also their highlights from the season. And bottom, it will show like player who won the most Ballon d'Or, from Messi to wherever, like top five. It will be showing it, so I'm hoping that I'll probably place on top 10 and maybe win the whole thing. So it'll be a fun thing to go on and submit it when the time comes. So I'll keep you guys updated on all my Snapchat. Yeah, I'm still learning how to really code by using HTML and CSS, but now I also want to get into learning how to code in JavaScript. My teacher is also, telling me to also get into JavaScript as well. So it'll be a fun thing to do, but I don't want to really focus on using HTML using JavaScript right now because I just want to focus on those um, language for now. And maybe I'll probably will get on after the apps are done. So it'll be fun and a really great experience to really. What I say was the best decision I made to go on and learn how to code. I would say yes. That allowed me to learn something that I probably would never thought I would have learned. But it was a really fun experience to learn how to code. It got me into more tech and learning how we use coding and how it changes everything around us, and also getting into more AIs and using AI to really help me to develop my app and also give me some feedbacks on how I am on my coding. So it was definitely a really good choice to go on and learn how to code. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next video.